Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, we need to set the screen password. So in this device I already set the screen password, a 4-digit pin I set here. Yeah, it is unlocked. Now let me show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, scroll down, tap on device unlock, tap on face and fingerprint unlock, tap on fingerprint. Then before that we need to set the screen password. Now here this is for the fingerprint scanner. You can see the procedure to add the fingerprint. First we need to touch the finger on the fingerprint scanner. When the fingerprint scanner detect your finger, then you will feel one vibration. Then you lift your finger, then again touch it. Then when feel the vibration, lift the finger, touch it, do the procedure to complete this picture. Now you can see the picture is almost completed. Yeah, done. So in case if you want to set if you want to enroll the face unlock, then you can enroll, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how to work this one. Now lock the device. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. Tap on this fingerprint scanner. Yeah, it is unlocked. Again I will show you. This unlocked, right? It's very nice. So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.